Grab your cup of coffee, everybody. It is time for Legal Grounds, one of my favorite segments. And you know, that can only mean McCormick law firm owner Cagney McCormick is back to answer your accident and personal injury questions. Cagney, what are we talking about today?
Proving liability with the insurance carrier.
Proving liability with the insurance carrier. Okay, this is pretty important stuff. Don't wait. We want you guys to text your questions. He's going to be answering them in real time. The number to text is 214-977-6028. And Cagney, when will the at-fault insurance company accept fault? What's the timeline on that?
Generally, it's between 3 to 7 business days, but they're trying to prove that their insured was in the accident, the car was in the accident, and then they're at fault. So you need to do everything possible to get the driver who's at fault to talk to his insurance and also proving liability.
So we're going to talk about how to do that. Another question that we've got is, how do I get a rental car after an accident? What should a driver do if the police won't come out to the scene of an accident? Because that's happening a lot with staffing shortages at police departments.
Yeah, usually if you call 911 and you say you're not injured, about half the police departments in the state will not even show up to do a report. So if that's happening, if you don't have a report, you absolutely need to get all the driver's information, license plate, driver's license, cell phone number. And then if you do have a police department come out, get the report, and that's going to hopefully show that you're not at fault, and then have liability accepted when that report is due to staffing shortages, sometime ready in 5 to 10 days.
You know, if they won't give you, if the other driver won't give over information like their driver's license, what are the things you should collect just on the scene? A picture of the car, the license plate?
License plate, definitely, if you can even get the VIN number, even better, but the license plate's generally going to be okay. But if they're just refusing to give you information, usually you can call in a hit and run to the police department, and that sometimes will get them to show up.
Okay, good information. We do have a viewer question. Just wrote in saying, I'm an Uber driver. Many people use their Uber accounts to order Uber rides for third parties. If an Uber driver gets into an accident, does the Uber account holder get the payout, or the third party who is in the accident? Man, this is a specific one.
So ride-sharing accidents are very common, especially in a huge city like DFW. Uber provides insurance for every Uber driver when they are clocked in on the app. So you're taken care of based on their insurance. The passenger's own auto insurance is the backup secondary policy if they have it, and even the driver's personal insurance could cover him after the Uber insurance covers them. So there's a whole lot of options there.
Okay, all right, that's what you call the experts. Now, should I go to the tow yard if my vehicle was towed from the scene of an accident? Should I go there, and if so, why?
Usually people are going to go there a day or two after the accident. You should take even more photos. A lot of times the at-fault party's vehicle's there, take even more photos. Clear out your vehicle, because a lot of times things are broken, water damage, stolen. Get everything you can out of the vehicle. Just take as many photos as you can of anything you can't get out.
Really quickly, we were talking earlier about getting a rental car right after an accident. How do you go about that, and also documenting it so you get compensated, hopefully?
Well, usually everybody wants the insurance company to provide a rental car.
Yeah.
They're going to have to accept fault to do that. You can pay for it yourself if you can afford it and get reimbursed later, but less than half of my clients can even do that. So, or you can pay your own deductible and go through your own insurance.
Okay, very good. And I understand you're going to be back again. Where can viewers submit questions in the meantime?
I'm always available at my email address, cmccormick@theinjuryattorney.law.
I love it. Thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to you coming back again.
Thank you.
All right, McCormick Law Firm offers new clients a free consultation. Call 972-972-4444 or go to notatfault.law for more information.